The concept behind a Sunday reset is to complete certain tasks when you have the time on a Sunday, instead of stressing about them during the work week. It is a great way to manage your time, manage your mental health, and streamline your week. My Sunday will consist of laundry, cooking, cleaning, and a very much needed facial. I don't know if you can tell, but I am clearly not a morning person. Hey, it is Joey Lissette, and welcome to my Sunday Reset. Starting off strong with some oral hygiene. Very important to take care of, especially if you have braces.
There's been a lot of bumps in the road. Oh yeah.
I will not be washing my hair as I have ordered some new hair products and I am waiting on them to arrive so I can test them out. So I will be rocking this bun for a few more days.
Just call on me, and I'll help you carry some of that weight. I want to make you understand, let you know that there's always a helping hand, 'cause I know.
In my family, we drink coffee like it is going out of style. That is our fuel. It's that good. Growing up, I wanted to be a chef. I wanted to be the next Rachel Ray, the next Giada, or Ina Garten. Can you tell I grew up watching the Food Network? But now, cooking for me is more for fun and relaxation. It is how I show love. This is today's biggest challenge, my room. It always feels so overwhelming, which is why I work in sections. It breaks it down and makes it a little easier to digest. You know, they say a clean room, clear mind. So my goal is to keep my room as clean as possible. I want to establish a consistent cleaning routine, which is easier said than done, especially when you are working, going to school, and a single mom to a Pomsky. Maybe it's just me, but there's something so satisfying in decluttering your countertop. And yes, that is my nail. Don't come for me.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah.
It is always such a pleasurable feeling going to bed in a clean room and clean warm sheets. Well, I think I just gave a clue as to how long I have been single.
And all the rain, yeah, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see.
On today's menu, it is roasted whole chicken, mushroom, wild rice, honey butter cornbread, and green beans. I am making the butter that is going to coat the whole chicken. I'm laughing now, but I was definitely crying in this video. And you'll see in a little bit. As you can see, the butter is super soft. And I am just combining all the ingredients here, making sure everything is mixed and combined. As you can see, I started off so excited, and it would not stick. Mind you, I dried this bird off twice, and it still would not stick at all. This bird gave me such a hard time. I feel so embarrassed. This should be a crime. I don't know. I eventually took off my gloves, and it made it a little easier. Not by much though. Yeah. Just wow. But now we're at my favorite part, the honey butter cornbread. This cornbread is sweet, moist, and very delectable. And when cooking, especially for a family, I like to jazz up the classics. For instance, I use Jiffy cornbread, but add some extra ingredients to make it better. For this, I add sour cream and vegetable oil, and it makes such a difference. And yes, I am a sangria queen. Red, white, sparkling, rosé. I've had them all. Oh, and let me put you on. Aldi has this orange peach mango juice that is pure heaven, as seen right there. Back to what I was saying about jazzing up the classics. I take Uncle Ben's rice and add onions, garlic, mushrooms, fresh herbs, and it just takes it to another level. That honey butter for that cornbread. This stole the show tonight. was so good. I think I'm gonna have to make another batch. Just watching this, my mouth is watering. Oh my goodness. And I always reserve some extra honey butter to drizzle on each piece after. Such a game changer. I am now making the gravy to go over the chicken. And this chicken came out great. I will definitely be remaking this recipe. Look at that spread. Let me know if you want the recipes seen below. I have not given myself a facial in months. I know, such a crime. It's like I am just wasting my esthetician license. But trust me, my skin is paying for it, and I plan on changing that. I will be incorporating weekly facials in my beauty regimen. There is something so calming about steam. Oh, I have missed doing my own facials.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep in love. Yeah, 'cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees.
This Sunday reset has been so successful, and I am feeling satisfied. Once again, I thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.